What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you want to see how I received this yellow sunshine makeup look, keep on watching. But before the video starts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That will help me so much. What's up, y'all? Okay, so today we're going to be doing, of course, that yellow look that was in the beginning of my channel, and my eyebrows are already done, and I used the LA Pro Concealer in medium beige. So today I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'm just using a one color shadow today. So I'm only going in with that yellow, just the yellow, nothing else but the yellow. And I'm just going to be really packing it on and blending it out at the same time. But right now, I guess I'm just gonna pack it on the lid for now and then blend it out, you know, so I won't have any harsh lines like by my eyebrow. But I do want that color very intense, so I'm just gonna keep packing it on, blending it out, packing it on, blending it out, and repeating. So yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished with this eye, just of course blending it out, and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera, which I did. And I'm just going in with this black liquid eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply and just giving me a little wing. And I'm more than likely going to do the other eye off camera too, because clearly this took a sec, because, you know, I'm not showing the whole thing. And it's sped up, so yeah, I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Oh, I'm still here. Okay, still feeling it. Gotcha. Okay. See, I'm not even paying attention. All right. Stop watching TV. Like, come on, man. Bro, whatever show was on, y'all can't tell me I was not feeling it, okay? Oh, I think now we're finally finna get somewhere. Okay, great. So I got both eyes on with that the wing liner, so I'm just going in with my mascara, of course, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes, and these are the LAFLARE lashes. I don't know what number, but I'll put them in the description box below. So boom, about to put the other eye on once I finish now. Okay, so I'm just going in with my glow activator. The primer, first off, let me just tell you, I love this stuff. This was my first time ever using it. Well, once it comes out the pump, it was my first time ever using it. I got it from CVS along with the Wet n Wild droplets pouch, the Wet n Wild hydration droplets primer. But not gonna lie, this primer right here, like, I wasn't touching my face because I was using a brush, but when I did, I was like shocked, because it literally felt like a second skin on my face. Like, I felt very hydrated, not dry at all. So I would definitely recommend, for sure, definitely recommend. Look at my face, like, okay. So boom, I'm just going in with my Maybelline. Is this Maybelline? Yeah, my Maybelline 24-hour foundation. And let me just tell you about this foundation really quick, because I really didn't appreciate it. But I want to say it's because I got the wrong shade. So I'm going to go back to CVS and, you know, find my shade. But this one right here, it wasn't it. So yeah, but I mean, I'm just gonna blend it out. I mean, it wasn't bad at first, but then I don't know what happened. But yeah, but I just blended it in and just worked with it. So I'm just gonna keep blending it in. And I know I took the idea out because once I finished blending it, I was like, I do not like this. I do not like this shade. So it gave me like a real golden look, and it wasn't it. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender after I blend all this in, of course, just to see how much I can like press this into my skin so that it wouldn't show this golden mustard cast. Like, look at my neck and look at my face. Like, it was a no. But hey, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline concealer, and I want to say this is shade 20, and I'm just gonna put that, of course, in my highlighted, like anywhere I want to highlight. And so y'all know with my when I conceal, I first highlight, and then I go in with my ColourPop concealer in like a tone that is closer to my skin, just because I'm trying to conceal. So I'm highlighting with the Maybelline, and then I go in and conceal right around the Maybelline, so everything blends perfectly with the contour. And I'm just going to, blend that out eventually. So, if you haven't noticed, I've been using the makeup stick, like this contour stick from Wet n Wild. I think it's called like Makeup Stick or something like that. But it's pretty bomb, not gonna lie to you. I really like it. It blends out real seamlessly. So, I've been using it, just to contour lately, because apparently I can't find my LA Girl. Don't know where it's at, but hey, this will do. But yeah, so I'm just going to blend that out, of course, and then I'm going to blend out my concealer. So typically I blend out my contour first and then blend in my concealer. Okay, so I'm just blending out that concealer, as you can see. Excuse me. And then I'm going to go in with that contour stick, and since I'm contouring my nose, I'm just going to put it on the brush already, because I just couldn't get it how I wanted to with the stick. So I'm just going to go straight in with the brush and just blend that out. The other side, blend that out. Wow, somebody wants to mow the grass during my voiceover. That's crazy. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and boom, set my face already. So I'm just gonna go in with my True Complexions contour palette in medium to dark, and just chisel out my base with that goodness in the palette. Okay, so once I finish carving out my face with that contour palette, I'm going in with my Fit Me pressed powder in 330, and I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush, and anywhere that I set my face, well, for my concealer, I'm just going over it with that Fit Me pressed powder just to get rid of that little cast that it left behind. And now it's blush time. So I'm going in with my AOA blush in So Close. Y'all, this is my favorite $1 blush. Yes, $1. This blush was $1. I'm going to say it one more time. This blush here that I'm using was $1. Let me tell you how much I love this blush, okay? I love this blush, and I just started using blush like not too long ago, like actually using it to where people could see it, you know, on my face. But this is by far the best blush that I've ever tried. Okay, so you know this is my favorite part, the lips. Okay, so I did this yellow look, so I was like, gotta do a dark brown liner. Well, of course, I do a dark brown liner all the time. But I lined my lips, and then I also brung that brown liner like a thicker line, if that makes sense. So I just bring it down a little bit because I knew that I wanted like a dark, well, not a dark lip, but like a dark outline lip. Like I wanted it further, like bring it towards the inside of my mouth. So once I finished lining my lips, of course, I went in with that pink, and I don't know where I got it from, I'm not gonna lie, but it takes the top off, y'all. This pink is bomb. But I go on with this pink, and I'll just put the name in the description box below. And let me just tell you, like, this look right here was already complete, but I was like, you know what, I gotta add a gloss. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and I'm just gonna top it off with that. Okay, so now I am just going in with my Milani highlighter and highlighting my face, my chin, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cheeks. What else? Everything, baby. Let's glow, okay? Let's glow. So I'm going in glowing. And yeah. Okay, so after glowing, I am just going back in with that yellow, and I'm just going to put the yellow on my lash line. I know there's a term for it, but I just went really blank. So I'm gonna put that yellow on my lash line, and then I am going to go in with that white eyeliner and put that white eyeliner on my bottom lashes. Spray my face with my Wet n Wild setting spray, and then I am probably going to re-highlight, more than likely re-highlight after that setting spray, and then I'm going to be done with this look. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would help me so much, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. And that's the end of this video. Well, it's wrapping up, but that's that's the end of this video. So I see y'all later. Bye.